Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Always Learning Institute. I know whoever is looking my video have one dream in themselves, that's to speak good English. So guys, today I will suggest you some tips to learn English language in a very easy way. And I am sure guys, if you will follow all these tips vigilantly, then within a week you will be at least a fluent English speaker. So, without any further delay, let's start it. First and the most important tip is think in English. As you all spend your most of the time in thinking in yourself. Maybe some of you used to think about your goals, about your dreams, business, etc. But one thing is common. You all spend your excess amount of time in thinking. So it is good to think in English. And once if you start to think in English, no, guys, can you imagine how much of your time you have been invested in the English environment? In the beginning of it, maybe you will find some difficulties, but don't lose your patience because habits can't be made in a day. So, guys, from now onwards only, start to think in English. Now, let's come upon the second tip, create your own dictionary. Guys, it is always being good to have a small notebook or a diary within yourself so that you can write down the words which you are using in your daily life. For example, suppose if you are thinking in English, probably there should be some words whose English translation you don't know. So just note down it, and whenever you get a time, no, search for its translation. Or maybe you will find some English words whose Hindi translation you don't know. Then just use this notebook to write such type of words and use it as your own dictionary. A dictionary that contains words which you are using in your daily life. Now come upon the third tip. Third tip is use some good words at the time of speaking and writing English. Guys, whenever you speak English in front of other, it looks better if you use some good English words. For example, suppose instead of speaking in few cases, you could speak in rare cases, and in place of maybe you can use probably, etc. The use of such simple words no make your fluent English also more perfect and clean. Now come upon the fourth tip. Fourth is listen English songs, watch English movies, read novels, etc. Friends, many of times you have heard that listening songs, watching English movies, reading novels are helpful in learning English. But today I will tell you how. They all play their own roles individually in teaching you the English language. By listening English songs, you can easily learn the right pronunciation of the words, and through English movies you can able to learn the way to speak English language, which will help you in representing yourself as the most wisdom and the educated one. Suppose if you know the right way to speak English, means how you have to speak with attitude, you have to speak. So if you know na some little bit English also know, but you speak in such a way that it represents you as the most wisdom and educated one. By reading novels, you get an opportunity to learn some good and new words daily, which you can use in your English language, and also get an idea to create perfect sentence with correct grammar. These are just the mean to learn the English language only, but as the way of entertainment. Fifth tip is before to speak any new word, learn its right pronunciation. Suppose if you had heard or read any new word and you will want to use it in your sentence. So before to speak that word in front of anyone, learn its right pronunciation. There are some people who skip this simple practice and just go through the English translation of the Hindi word and simply ignore to hear the pronunciation of that word. And this small mistake of those people's no make others to mocks upon them. So if you so to better to learn the correct pronunciation of the word. Now fifth step is try to talk in English to a person who is positioned at the higher level than you. For example, if you are a student, then your teachers; if you are an employee, then your boss, supervisors, etc. Guys, if you have learned better English, but still a small hamper will arise in your way of becoming good English speaker, and that's your hesitation. So whenever you speak English in front of the one who is at a higher level than you know, that due to your hesitation, you will speak such a worst English, even they would feel laugh upon you. But they did not want to degrade you. That's why they never do that. So guys, if you want to overcome upon your such weakness, then carefully follow this tip. Now the seventh and the last tip is have a talk to your friends in English. Friends, if you want to use the English language as a tongue language, then always have a talk with your friends in English. Because there are some people who can write a good English, but equally they are quite unable to speak in English. And if you want to make yourself as a good English speaker, no, so please adhere me without any shortage. And you know one truth, your friends are the best teacher for you, because not only they listen you but also correct you at your mistake. And if you have some enemies, no, if you are a student and have some enemies in your class, then use them also to make your English communication skill good. Guys, I think my all tips are clear to you, so please follow each and every tip vigilantly. And whenever you speak English, no, speak it with complete attitude that I am only the one who know the better English, and other than me all are just fools. They don't know anything, and I know the English language. So friends, if you consider my video as a little bit helpful for you, so please like it and share with your friends who are struggling in learning English. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my upcoming video, which is helpful for you in learning English language with correct grammar. Thank you guys.